Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today for you guys, I have a clean kitchen at night because there is nothing better than going to bed at night with a clean kitchen. And I'm actually participating in the open collab that Mandy from Mandy in the Making and Jen from Cook, Clean, and Repeat are hosting right now. It's an open collab for all YouTubers, and there will be a big playlist where you guys can get tons and tons of cleaning motivation to clean up your kitchen tonight before bed. So I will link that playlist down below. Make sure and go check it out and give Mandy and Jen and everyone else who's participating lots of love. And the rest of this, I'm going to leave music because it's really relaxing music and I hope you guys enjoy it and it gets you motivated to get your kitchen clean. If you did like this type of video, make sure and give it a big thumbs up as well as hit subscribe down below. I would love to have you guys here.
I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you are the reason why I try. I don't know what you're thinking, but I know how you're feeling. I have crushed and burned someone before, and now I'm afraid of the person I'm pretending to be. But I'm more afraid to tell you I'm less than you see. And I know when I let go right now, I'm gonna turn you against me. 'Cause baby, you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before, you closed the door. Now I don't know what to say, I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you are the reason why I try. 'Cause it's the look in your eyes filled with doubts and I'm scared. I am trying my very best to make it okay, but do you even care anymore? Yes, baby, you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before, you closed the door. Now I don't know what to say, I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you are the reason why I try. Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on, I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's over